The iron and steel industry is a core sector of the Indian economy and forms the backbone of infrastructure, construction, and manufacturing. Despite its importance, the industry faces several challenges that affect its growth, efficiency, and global competitiveness. Here are 10 major challenges facing iron and steel industry in India. 1. High cost of production. Rising prices of raw materials, electricity, and transport increase production costs. Example: high freight charges raise the cost of moving iron ore and coal. 2. Outdated technology. Many steel plants still use old machinery, resulting in low productivity and high energy consumption. Example: older public sector plants have lower efficiency compared to modern private plants. 3. Shortage of coking coal. India lacks sufficient high-quality coking coal and depends on imports. Example: steel plants import coking coal from Australia. 4. Energy and power problems. Steel production is energy-intensive and suffers from unreliable power supply. Example: power shortages disrupt continuous production processes. 5. Transportation bottlenecks. Poor rail and port infrastructure causes delays and increases costs. Example: congestion at ports delays coal and steel exports. 6. Environmental regulations. Strict pollution control norms increase compliance costs. Example: steel plants must invest in waste management and emission control. 7. Low labor productivity. Labor productivity is lower compared to global standards. Example: Indian steel plants employ more workers per ton of steel produced. 8. Global competition. Indian steel producers face competition from cheaper imports. Example: steel from China is often cheaper in the international market. 9. Fluctuating demand. Demand for steel depends heavily on construction and infrastructure growth. Example: economic slowdowns reduce demand from the real estate sector. 10. Land acquisition and clearance issues. Acquiring land and obtaining environmental clearances is time-consuming. Example: expansion projects are often delayed due to legal disputes.